the 9 Patchalong 6.0. This is block number 9, the final block. Thank you all for joining me and stitching along. I really love being creative and sharing these. I plan on creating the 9 Patchalong 7.0 next year, so the creativity just never stops. Anyways, I think it's a little bit fun to add in a little bit of free motion quilting each year to the 9 Patchalong. So we're going to use this Sway 3 Machine Quilting Ruler and quilt some circles and then add some flower petals to the outside. Just a really fun way to use ruler work in combination with free motion quilting. Now I'm doing all my quilting here on a panel that I purchased from Honest Fabrics. You can pick up this panel on their website. Make sure you do get the 50 by 60 inch size though if you want to quilt the same size as what I'm using here. We have also created a piecing pattern that's available on our website, and of course we've created a companion design workbook. The design workbook includes all of the designs all illustrated out, plus we've added our QR codes, so when you scan those with your smart device it actually takes you right to the video where I'm showing you how to do the machine quilting. I will do a bit of marking on this design, so we'll use this water or air erasable marker, and we're going to be using the long straight ruler that I purchased from the Quilted Pineapple. Let's hop down here and start with some marking. So you know that I love reference points, so I'm going to start out here by marking an X through the center of all of these blocks, and I'll actually do all my lines one direction first and then switch. All right, next up I want to just make sure what I'm thinking is going to actually work. So this is the Sway 3 Machine Quilting Ruler. I've designed all of the Sway rulers so that this hook end is designed for marking, while the circle end and the concave curve are designed for quilting. So I will line up, there's an X that's marked through this hook end and also a T. I'll line up those marked lines right there on the X that I've marked onto the fabric. And I don't have to do this, I could go right into the quilting. You can see that that leaves that 1/4 of an inch for the ruler foot to quilt around that circle. So I want to mark just a few of these though. You can see I'll flip the ruler there to continue marking that circle. Just to make sure, I think it's good to mark a little bit to make sure what you have in your brain is going to translate onto the fabric. At least in my opinion, sometimes that can save a little bit of headache in unpicking stitches. Anyway, so my thought is quilt that circle, and then to create a flower, I'll stitch like these bumps around the outside. And I'm liking that, so I'm actually not going to do any more marking. I'm going to start up here and I'll actually just travel over. I'll stitch a straight line because then I can just work that into those petals. Okay, so I'm just going to travel over a little bit. I've not marked anything there. And okay, I can see I need to go a couple more stitches, but now I'm lining up those marked lines on the ruler right on top of the marked lines on the fabric. So I'll stitch like partially around the circle. And then I need to readjust, so I'll stop with my needle in the down position, readjust my ruler, and then continue stitching. And readjust one more time. Okay, so I'm back to where I started. Now I'll add those flower petals. Okay, I really like that. So I will travel now along that circle, again using, actually let's go down here. I think I can see a little bit better. Okay, now from here, I'll travel over to the next block and repeat. I love that, it's so cute. Let's keep going. I absolutely love how this block turned out. It's just so happy and such a simple idea. Anyways, thank you for joining me in this 9 Patchalong 6.0. So crazy how time flies. I better get to creating and thinking some fun new designs for next year. But in the meantime, you know, I'll have some more fun classes. You can also enroll in any of the first 5 versions of the 9 Patchalong on our website. I'll be back, friends, soon with another fun machine quilting video. And such a simple idea. Oh my God. Anyways, thank you for joining me in this 9 Patchalong 6